Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing your workspace. Free disk space and update your chosen editor so performance stays smooth. Once done, import photos into organized folders and enable a non-destructive workflow by working on copies or virtual edits. Make sure to set color profile and resolution appropriate for output, sRGB for web, RGB or ProPhoto for print, so colors remain accurate. Then glance through thumbnails to flag keepers and rejects. This fast culling saves time during detailed edits that follow. You now refine the image starting with composition, crop and straighten to reinforce the subject, then balance exposure so detail returns in highlights and shadows. Once balanced, adjust white balance to remove color casts. Subtle changes can transform mood without artifacts. Next, use targeted tools, healing brush for blemishes, dodge and burn to sculpt light, masking to protect edges. Make measured sharpening and noise reduction. These settings trade off detail versus grain, so preview at 100% you finish by exporting with purpose. Select file type, size, resolution, and quality depending on use. JPEG for web with sRGB, TIFF or PSD for archival print work. Once exported, create backups and save edit presets for consistency across a batch. If prints or online uploads show odd colors, check the color profile and ensure your monitor is calibrated. Incorrect profiles or uncalibrated displays cause shifts. Finally, if performance stalls, purge cache, lower preview quality, and restart the app to clear temporary issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.